Hello friends, welcome to my channel A to Z Delicious. Today I will not show you any recipe. We seafood lovers loves various dishes of prawns. Many people know how to cook prawns, but not all of them know how to clean prawns perfectly. Today I will show you how to clean and devein prawns. Devein of prawns is a must process because the vein contains lot of dirt and it is a main part of the prawn, so we have to clean it properly. That dirt should not get into inside our stomach. Let's see the process. So this is a prawn, the whole prawn, perfect one. Okay, this is the head part, this is the tail, this is a thorn, and first we have to break the head of it. Okay, very carefully. We should be careful about ourselves. It may hurt also. This thorn may hurt you. Okay, so nicely and very slowly just remove this shell, this leg parts also, the shells also from here up to the tail, and gently pull this tail. This will come outside like this. Okay, it's clean perfectly. Now how to devein it? Okay, what I do is very simply I run a knife over here and cut it and slit over here. This black vein we see, just pull it out here. Okay, you can go through the tail part also. So it is being slitted properly and perfectly to get all the vein, all the dirt part of it. This is how I clean prawns. This is a impurity, isn't? So we have to clean it. This is the intestine of prawn and it contains impurities. So we have to clean it. So this is what I do. I'll show you one more time. This is a head, okay, tail and its legs. I just pull off the head part. Okay, very slowly, gently shell it out. The leg part. Okay, this is the thing, and now the tail part. This has been removed easily. Now again I will run the knife from here to the up to the tail portion. See, very easily we can see and we can easily remove it. So we can clean it properly. So see, no impurities, nothing. Cleaned, almost cleaned. Some people they use toothpick or some other things to remove this, but it is not guaranteed that the whole vein is being removed. Okay, removing of the vein is very necessary for our health and stomach also. So be sure that the prawn is cleaned properly. That's why I use knife and I cut here, make a slit and clean and remove the vein. See, it's been cleaned. We can see when we slit the prawn, we can see the vein is there or not. But by just pulling out by the toothpick or anything, we are not sure the vein is been removed or not, fully removed or not. It may get stuck, it may get break also. That's why we have to make a slit over here and clean the prawn properly. So see, each and every part of the vein is been taken out of it. So friends, thanks for watching my video. Hope you like and you will try. And please like, share and comment, and do subscription also, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the further notification. Thanking you.